Let us have a look at the SQL Server String Functions. So the first function is ASCII. ASCII returns the ASCII value for a particular character, like ASCII of A will give 65. CHAR will return the character based on the ASCII code. So CHAR of 65 will show capital A. Then there is CHAR index. CHAR index returns the position of a substring. So if I pass E and hello, it will return 2, indicating that E is appearing at the position 2. Concat helps to join 2 or more string. So concat, passing the arguments as whatever are the strings that are to be joined together, will give me the joined string. Then plus can also be used for concatenation like this, or otherwise this is WS stands for bit separator. So now here I pass the separator first and then the strings that I want, and the strings are not just joined and rather hyphen is also included. Data length returns the byte length, so SQL will give me 3. SOUNDEX values, the difference will compare the SOUNDEX values. So here hello and hello, the difference in the SOUNDEX values is 4. Format, we can format any value with the specified format. Like for example, if I pass a number and I tell that it is a currency and I want it in the US format, then it will show dollar and the appropriate currency. Left will return the n leftmost characters. So here SQL Server, 3 will give me the first 3 characters from the left. Length gives the length of the string, where len of SQL shows 3. Lower converts the string to lowercase. Lower of SQL will give me small sql. Ltrim will remove all the leading spaces from the left here. So here space SQL is taken as SQL. Then there is nchar, n Unicode character based on code. So nchar of 65 gives me capital A, which is the Unicode character. PATINDEX gives the position of a pattern. So here I am looking for the pattern %SE. So the first occurrence of such a pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is also a space here, that is why a 4, and the pattern, anything before SE and anything after SE, such a pattern is appearing at position 5, and that is what it gives. Codename adds delimiters for SQL identifiers. So codename of table name will add the brackets. Replace will replace the part of the string. So here I want world to be replaced by SQL in the string hello world, and then the output is hello SQL. Here in all these, the sequence of the attributes, sequence of the arguments becomes very important. Replicate repeats a string. So replicate SQL, 3 shows SQL, SQL, SQL. Reverse reverses a string, where reverse of SQL gives me the LQS. Rightmost characters. Right gives me the rightmost characters, where SQL Server, 6 gives the last 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rtrim removes the trailing spaces. The trailing spaces are on the right. So here it only gives me the string. SOUNDEX gives me the values. Now this is a particular code where SQL gives me the SOUNDEX S240. Space will add these many spaces. So here A space 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 B is giving me this particular result. Then there is str. I can convert a number to an str format using str function. Then there is stuff. It will delete and insert part of the string. So here A, B, C, D, F, and here I specify that starting from 2 till the third, till 3. That means 3 characters from there. So B, C and D. Starting from 2, 3 characters from there on are to be replaced by this. Substring will only extract a particular substring. So from the 4th location I want 6 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Server is got. Then translate, it will replace multiple characters. Like here I can specify A, B, C. Now A and C are to be replaced by X and Y. So A will be replaced by X, C will be replaced by Y. Trim replace both leading and the trailing spaces. So here the leading and the trailing spaces are both replaced.